If you're like most Apple TV owners, you probably just made a huge mistake, or maybe you're about to. tvOS 26.2 just dropped, and on the surface, it looks like a boring stability update. But under the hood, Apple quietly added some serious gaming upgrades that could change how you use your Apple TV forever. While everyone's distracted by new Apple Watch bands or iPhone colors, the Apple TV team snuck in features that turn your TV into a gaming powerhouse. Developer tools and reverse engineering show a new Performance Boost API, which dynamically prioritizes GPU power for games by throttling background tasks like iCloud Sync and HomeKit. The result? Higher frame rates, more stable gameplay, and smoother AAA titles, even during explosions or intense action. tvOS 26.2 introduces a low-latency gaming mode that works directly with modern TVs via HDMI 2.1. It reduces internal frame processing, making your button presses appear faster on screen. Combined with controller haptic upgrades, including directional, nuanced actuation, you can feel exactly where an in-game action happens. Left side hit? You'll feel it on the left side of your controller. Apple also added an input prediction protocol to eliminate lag in Bluetooth controllers, making movement feel more precise. Plus, there's broader support for non-certified controllers, so boutique and third-party gamepads now work seamlessly with full button mapping. The update hints at cloud gaming readiness, with features like variable bitrate jitter buffering. Whether it's GeForce Now, Xbox Cloud, or future Apple services, tvOS 26.2 is preparing the Apple TV for console-grade streaming. Developer overlays for FPS and temperature monitoring might be coming too. Most performance boosts are automatic, but to unlock advanced controller features, create a custom profile in settings right-pointing arrow remotes and devices right-pointing arrow Bluetooth. Competitive shooters and high-precision games will feel dramatically smoother. Input prediction and controller haptics make older games feel brand new. This is not your typical, minor update. Apple is quietly transforming the Apple TV into a gaming hub. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, test your games, explore new controller settings, and see the difference for yourself. Smash that subscribe button, share this video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a hidden tech upgrade.